Land use controls and zoning are designed to regulate how land can be used in order to protect the public interest. This topic appears consistently on the Arizona real estate exam, and many questions focus on the government powers that control land use. Welcome to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we're covering the core concepts of land use controls and zoning. Let's begin with the idea of government powers over land use. Local, state, and federal governments have authority to regulate property in order to protect public health, safety, and welfare. This authority is commonly referred to as police power. Police power allows governments to establish regulations such as zoning laws, building codes, and land use restrictions. These rules help ensure that communities develop in an organized and safe way. Now let's talk about zoning. Zoning laws divide land into districts and regulate what types of structures and activities are allowed within those areas. For example, a city may designate areas for residential use, commercial use, industrial use, or mixed-use development. Zoning helps prevent incompatible land uses. For example, zoning laws might prevent a factory from being built in the middle of a residential neighborhood. Zoning regulations can also control factors such as building height, lot size, density, and setbacks from property lines. Now let's discuss building codes. Building codes establish minimum standards for construction to ensure that buildings are safe for occupancy. These codes regulate things like structural integrity, electrical systems, plumbing, and fire safety. Building inspectors are responsible for verifying that structures comply with these codes during construction. Another important concept is eminent domain. Eminent domain gives the government the authority to take private property for public use. Examples include building highways, schools, or public infrastructure. However, the government must provide just compensation to the property owner. This requirement is protected under the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution. Now let's discuss escheat. Escheat occurs when a person dies without heirs and without a valid will. When this happens, ownership of the property transfers to the state. Finally, let's review environmental land use controls. Certain laws regulate how land can be used in order to protect natural resources and public health. Examples include wetlands protection, floodplain regulations, and environmental impact requirements. Understanding the relationship between government authority and private property rights is key to answering zoning questions on the Arizona exam. In Part 2, we'll walk through Arizona-style exam questions covering zoning laws, government powers, and land use restrictions. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way. Take care.